Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you are going to learn what USPS shipment received package acceptance pending means. Now this is a common tracking status and often confuses many people. So when you see this type of update from USPS, it simply means that the shipping label has been created and the package has been dropped off. However, USPS has not fully processed or scanned the package into their system yet. This particular status usually appears when the seller has given the package to USPS or when the package is waiting at the post office or sorting center or when it has not received its first official scan. Now, sometimes multiple packages arrive together and scanning gets delayed. Now, whenever you see this type of message, in most of the cases, the status updates within just 24 to 48 hours. But during the busy times like holidays, it can take longer. Once scanned, the tracking is going to be updated to show the movement. Now, in most of the situations, you don't need to do anything about it. You just have to wait for the next update. If it stays the same for the next 3 to 4 days, then you can contact to the USPS or the sender. Now, this status does not mean that your package is lost. It just hasn't been processed yet. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.